Hello everyone, welcome to 5x Crypto, and today we will see how you can make 1 million coins on Hamster Kombat by just giving out today's code, and it is Ethereum. So you have to write Ethereum. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to tap 3 times on earn per tap on the top. Just click 3 times and it will turn into like this, and you will have to decipher it on a daily basis. Now how do we type Ethereum? For that, just simply tap it once and it will give you E. Since I have already claimed it, that's why it might not appear for me, but for you it will appear. So what you have to do is just single tap once in order to get E, then hold and release in order to get T. So this will give you T. Now after that you will have to tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will give you H. Now for E, we will just simply tap it once and we will get E. After that, it's time for R. For R, you will have to tap and hold and tap again, and this way you would get R. After that, for E, just simply tap it once and you would get E. For U, you will have to tap twice, 1, 2, and hold and release, and this way you will get U. For M, you will have to hold twice, so simply hold and release, hold and release, and this way you would get Ethereum, and you will be able to get this 1 million coins for today's code. And this is how you would be able to crack it up. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and also hit that like button for more helpful videos.